tonight is our Meet the Families night, where we invite our families in to come and meet their educators and have a tour of the classrooms. We also have our special education resource teachers here tonight that are doing some sessions for parents. We have a table set up with some members of our school council. We also have a concession stand to build community and bring people together. Hi! Brought your sister, nice!
Being my first year as a vice principal, this opportunity at Meet the Families gives me a great chance to get to know what my community is all about.
Being able to meet other parents and other students, it's really important to be able to come into the school and be able to see the classroom set up and know what he is surrounded with and how he's supported on a day-to-day basis. It's really important to me.
I'm taking a role of trying to get more families involved in joining parent council. It's something that's important to me personally. I have 3 kids that come here. We do so much for the kids, but also for the educators. We try and give back and show our appreciation to them. It's nice to be able to get to know some of those new families that want to come out.
It's a chance for us as educators and the staff here to build those trusting relationships. And I hope families leave tonight with a feeling of comfort and safety and connection.
Stay connected with us. For the latest news, information, and videos from across the SCDSB, follow us on social media.